Hello everyone. Today, we will show you how to automate contracts using Docusign. Automating contracts helps us save time, reduce manual work, and speed up the approval and signing process. Now let's get started. On the Docusign dashboard, we go to Templates. Templates are found in the upper right part of the page. Click on that, then click Create Templates. Here, we will automate contracts. For example, we can call this contract automation. Next, we upload the contracts we want to automate. For instance, we have a contract here to automate. Let's assign the role, for example, JB. Enter the email address here. For the role, let's use contact one. You can add DCP if you want. Add a subject and a message. Once all the fields are filled out, click Next and add fields. This part is important. We assign fields in the bottom part because we want to automate our name, date signed, and signature. We will put name here. Let's drag name here, our full name. For example, Doctor. Make sure the field is long enough. Let's look for automations, like date signed. For date signed, let's add that field. Let's look for a text field. We will not automate this one, only the bottom part. For example, we automate this one, then save and close. Let's wait for it to load. Now, our automated contract is ready. When we try to send it, click and sign. The document is already signed. Continue. As you can see, it is now automated. We just need to click sign and start signing. Add the signature and date. That's how we automate contracts with Docusign. With automation in place, we can send, track, and manage agreements more efficiently.